Purchased this Ultra HD 4K camera. It's waterproof. It was $89 on Amazon. There was a $20 coupon, so it cost me $69. I wanted to buy a GoPro, but they're quite expensive, so I thought, well, I'll try this one. It's cheap enough, see if I like it. Try some YouTube videos and see if it works. So this is all the stuff it came with. The camera itself is a nice little tiny camera, 4K apparently, 1080p. Comes with a waterproof case, extra dust shield, bunch of brackets and things I don't even know what they're for yet, but I'll figure it out. 2 batteries and a microphone, charge cord. So it looks to be like a nice little camera. I'll give it a try. So this is filming with my iPhone, and I'll start the little camera up next and see how that looks compared to this. Don't know if it's good value, and I'll take it out today and try some video out in the car and see how that looks. So there you go. I'll put a link down below for the Amazon camera, and I'll give it a try right now.